an online business, okay? And this is 2019, okay? You want to retire. You're going to retire at 65. So the average retirement savings is 20 years, okay? So let's, they're telling you to have $1 million saved for retirement, okay? When in truth, the fact of the matter is you probably need like $2.5 million, because 80% of people, couples, okay, one of the partners of the couple is going to live to be 92 years old, okay? So one person is going to live to be 92. Your retirement is for 20 years, okay? So if you're spending $50,000 a year for 20 years, that's $1 million. So you have $1 million saved. That's what you think you have, living comfortably on $1 million in your retirement. $50,000 a year. That's not living very comfortably, but let's just say, okay, $50,000 a year. That's $1 million in 20 years. So as you retired at 65, that means at 85 you're flat broke and working at McDonald's. Okay, that's why you need to start an online business, a passive income stream. Okay, get it started now. A year from now, you'll be glad you started today. It's going to be, it's not going to be easy. It's going to take you months to build. It's going to take you a year, maybe two. It's going to take time. Some people takes less time than others, but it's worth the effort. Let's see. The median income in the United States is about $32,000 a year, right? Social Security pays, about $1,200 a month. Okay, so that $1,200 a month, half of retirees live off of less than live on less than $50,000 a year. Okay, so that's not a lot. You're not traveling, you're not cruising, you're not traveling the world, you're not enjoying retirement on $50,000 a year. You're just not. You're paying your bills and you're living your life, and you know what? You're probably raising your grandchildren, and your kids are working, and because that's the way society is. But if we teach everybody to work online, get passive income to supplement, have multiple streams of income coming in, then you don't have to worry so much. You can relax. Your kids, your grandchildren will have something to fall back on. You'll be able to retire. 80% of Americans have less than $1,000 in the bank. Okay, less than 80% has 40 million people have student loans of $1.2 trillion. Okay, 8 out of 10 businesses fail. Okay, brick and mortar businesses fail. So you got to have your own business. You got to explore ways to make money online. Okay, take the 7-day free trial, build an online business, use it for affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is in a nutshell is basically selling someone else's product and getting a commission. Just like being at Best Buy and selling a TV, and you get 5% commission for every TV you sell. So let's say you're an Amazon affiliate. You're working for Amazon. You put an ad on the internet for a TV, and you put a link for Amazon. And when they go to the link and they click the link and buy the TV at Amazon, you get a commission, because that's what affiliate marketing is. And you just you put out stuff on the internet, and Amazon doesn't really pay a lot. It's probably because it's Amazon, everybody recognizes it as Amazon as a reputable company. It's easier to break in with Amazon as an affiliate, but there's a lot of affiliate programs out there. There's programs. I have one that I'm doing that pay you 100% commission. 100% commission on your first commission, okay? Because it's a monthly recurring charge. So they give you the first commission at 100%, and then I think it's 30% for every month recurring after that, passive income for the rest of your life. Okay, now those are the kind of things you want to find. Affiliate marketing that are recurring monthly charges. Okay, this way you have a passive income. You build it month after month after month, and you do it once, and you get paid for the rest of your life. Okay, so that's basically what it is. You do need a business. A year from now, you'll be glad you started today. Take the free trial. Click the link down below. There's a 7-day free trial. You really got to get going on this, because do you want to work at McDonald's at 85? You're going to work at McDonald's at 85 because you're flat broke. Okay, after struggling for 20 years in retirement, living on $50,000 a year. Okay, this is what you've been working your whole life for your retirement. Okay, so you really, this is what you've been working your whole life for, so that you can struggle for 20 years in retirement and then go back to work at McDonald's until you die. Okay, I mean, it's just ludicrous. Okay, it's just ludicrous. That's not a way to live your life. It's not a way to live. Okay, so if that sounds like what you're in for, you really need to start learning some skills, internet skills, and if you take the 7-day free trial, there's training, there's Facebook group, the Work From Home Hustle. I may leave a link for the Work From Home Hustle. You can contact me through there. I'll answer questions. I'll mentor you. If you get stuck on things, we'll get you through it. It's very important for everybody to be successful online. We can't have people working at McDonald's, okay? You just can't. Not 85-year-old people shouldn't be working. 65-year-old people shouldn't be working, right? Okay, so join me.